Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the osteopetrosis clinical features and its mnemonic. So first is the mnemonic. Osteopetrosis is also called the marble bone disease, so you can remember the mnemonic marbles. So first is the M for the multiple fractures. In the osteopetrosis disease, multiple fractures of the bone occur. Next is the A for the anemia due to the decrease of or the deficiency of the hemoglobin. Anemia can occur. Next is the R for the restricted cranial nerves. It can affect the cranial nerves and its restriction. Next is the B for the blindness and deafness. It can affect the vision or the hearing process, so it results in blindness and deafness. Next is the L for the liver enlargement or the hepatomegaly occur due to the osteopetrosis. Next is the E for the specific type of deformity like the Erlenmeyer-Flass deformity. It can occur due to the osteopetrosis. Next is the S for the splenomegaly. As we already discussed, hepatomegaly occur. It can also have a splenomegaly in which the spleen is enlarged, and this occur due to the osteopetrosis. So this is all about the mnemonic for the osteopetrosis, marble bone disease, and the mnemonic is marble. So this is very easy to understand. I hope you have liked this video. If you have understand it, please share it with your friends. If you have any question, you can comment below. You can subscribe our channel for more such mnemonics. You can join our Telegram and social media group. Links are given below. Thanks for watching.